time has come. Divine revelation in God's His grace I see. When I see how He has chosen me, and it happens every day when I began to pray. It burns within my heart, the things He's always said. He revealed it unto me, what I was born to be in this day. Me to run this race, give my life to Him, perfected without sin. Can do this on my own, flesh on these dry bones. If it takes my life to give, for you I believe. I need you, Lord. So I'm staying patiently waiting for your outpouring. Oh Lord, I need you. Desire of Hannah and the fearless for Esther. I believe they were true, and the token they received. But what about me? Oh, I know my battles all I won. That's why I sing my song. I know my blessings are all mine, but take time, like Elijah, here I stay, with faith in such a way. So I'm staying. Hallelujah. For your outpouring, oh Lord, I need you. Let's sing that last verse one more time. I read the scriptures in the Bible about the mighty Gentile warrior, the painful desire of Hannah, and the fearless for Esther. Lord, I believe that they were true, and the token they received. But what about me? Father's all I want. That's why I sing my song. My blessings are all mine, but it will just take time. So like Elijah, here I stay, with faith in such a way. Patiently waiting for your outpouring. Oh Lord, I need you. So I'm staying, oh I'm staying home. Patiently waiting, patiently